Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B. Now this is just a very quick message just to let you know some changes, some positive changes as regards the website, which is www.BitsBytesBobs.com, which you can see there, just here. See? Now we've updated the website design. It's got a new fresh look. And also last week, the reason why there wasn't a huge amount of videos is that I was moving everything from the hosted provider we were using to host the website and a few other websites that I own over to a dedicated server. So I was moving everything over to that, setting up the server and making sure everything was working. So everything is working great now. It's super, super quick. The design is great. So it's working just a million times better. So check it out. It's www.BitsBytesBobs.com. And I don't know why I said the www, because no one says that anymore. So it's just BitsBytesBobs.com. Go check it out. It's got all sorts of stuff. It's got interesting things and everything you could want regarding tech and me and 3B and much more. So go check it out and I'll see you there. Take care, guys. Thanks again. Bye-bye.